Mr. Tanner is in search of the ideal cleaning system for his stencils. However, there are a large number of cleaning systems available. The manufacturers are spread far and wide, and each technology has its advantages and disadvantages. What is the quickest way to make an informed decision? With Zestron, he receives a vendor-neutral system comparison and the option of testing up to 4 system concepts with the relevant cleaning agents in one day. He arranges an appointment with Mr. Clean, the process engineer, and brings along his stencils, adhesives, and solder pastes to Zestron. He is first offered insight into the range of cleaning systems: semi and fully automated, spray or immersion, single and multi-chamber systems. Next, they discuss his requirements, for example, stencil throughput, budget, integration, and operability. And, based on the criteria, select the preferred systems for the cleaning trials. To ensure the best possible results, only the latest generation of cleaning agents are used. They then perform the cleaning tests using Mr. Tanner's stencils. They analyze the test results and compare these with his cleanliness requirements. Mr. Tanner couldn't be happier. He was able to identify the ideal process solution, as well as the cleaning agent and systems, in just one day. What's more, the process engineer, Mr. Clean, is always on hand should he have any questions with regard to further process optimization, cleaning bath monitoring, and treatment. Zestron, stencil cleaning vendor-neutral system comparison in just one day.